The 2026 Ford Focus RS arrives with a bang, combining track-ready performance with unexpected luxury touches. This hot hatch proves you don't need a six-figure price tag to experience thrilling performance wrapped in premium details. Let's explore what makes this RS special. At first glance, the 2026 Focus RS commands attention with its aggressive styling. The widened stance, massive rear wing, and signature RS badging hint at its performance potential. New for 2026 are matrix LED headlights with dynamic bending beams and optional forged alloy wheels that save weight while looking stunning. Open the door to a surprisingly upscale cabin that elevates the hot hatch experience. Recaro sports seats come wrapped in premium leather with Alcantara inserts, offering both comfort and lateral support. The flat-bottom steering wheel features magnesium paddle shifters, while blue contrast stitching throughout reminds you this is no ordinary Focus. Technology gets a serious upgrade for 2026. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster projects key data directly in the driver's sideline. The SYNC4 infotainment system features a 13.2-inch touchscreen with crisp graphics and wireless connectivity. An available 12-speaker Biano sound system delivers audiophile-grade audio to complement the exhaust notes. The heart of this beast is its all-new 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, now producing 350 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. Ford's intelligent all-wheel drive system can send up to 70% of power to the rear wheels, making this RS more tail-happy than ever. The quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission offers lightning-fast gear changes. What truly impresses is how the 2026 model balances everyday drivability with track capability. The adaptive suspension system offers a comfort mode for daily commuting and a track mode that stiffens everything for serious performance driving. New active noise cancellation keeps cabin refinement at luxury levels when you want it quiet. Safety hasn't been forgotten in this performance machine. Standard features include autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. The 360-degree camera system makes parking this aggressive hatchback surprisingly easy in tight spaces. Pricing for the 2026 Ford Focus RS starts at $48,995 for the base model. The fully loaded RS3 edition pushes to $56,500 with all performance and luxury options included. Considering the performance and premium features, this represents strong value in the hot hatch segment. The driving experience is where the Focus RS truly shines. The precise steering provides razor-sharp feedback, while the torque vectoring all-wheel drive system makes cornering incredibly rewarding. This is a car that makes every drive feel special, whether you're commuting or attacking your favorite backroad. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Focus RS successfully bridges the gap between raw performance and unexpected luxury. It delivers supercar